every soldier in the Indian Army, they have this dream that if they can get the opportunity to march on the Kartavya Path. So I would say we are just living our dream that we got this opportunity to march onto the Kartavya Path, and this is for the first time in the history that it has been happening that a newly raised battalion is being given the opportunity to, for the first time, that to simultaneously march on the Army Day also and in on Kartavya Path also, on Republic Day parade also. So we are feeling very privileged and we are completely enthusiastic about it, and we are fully motivated for this.
अभी बहुत ही आधुनिकता की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, तो उसके तहत हमने ये एक नई रेजिमेंट खड़ी की है जो कि एक पूरी ड्रोन रेजिमेंट है। और जो दिव्यास्त्र है वो पूरी ड्रोन नहीं है, उसमें गन्स और ड्रोन्स दोनों रहेंगी। ये शक्तिवान, एज चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ ने भी कहा है, हम डिकेड ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में है, तो हमें एक अनमैन्ड एरियल प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए। उसके तहत हम दुश्मन के अंदर घुस के भारी क्षमता में नुकसान कर सकते हैं।
This is a mixed scouts contingent. It is making a historic debut at Republic Day Parade 2026. It consists of troops from Ladakh Scouts, Arunachal Scouts, Dogra Scouts, Sikkim Scouts, Garhwal Scouts and Kumaon Scouts.
And about your unitary dress?
So as we are majorly deployed in the high altitude areas, to showcase that we are wearing this ECWCS clothing. This is a special clothing. It is also called a 3-layer suit. The innermost layer is the black one. The second layer above the black is green, and the final layer of the suit is white. We're also wearing the RI boots, which protects us from the frostbite, and this kit is very useful in the sub-zero area temperatures.
The model is divided into two parts. The front part is significantly depicting Nari Shakti and Nari Sashактикаран. The behind part, if you see, is a very beautiful depiction of how Indian Navy or the Indian maritime history has transformed right from the stitched ship called Kaundinya to the Gurab, which belonged to the Maratha Navy, and thereafter transforming into a place where today we can proudly say that the two ships right below are the 100 and 101st indigenously designed ship constructed in India, about to be commissioned to the Navy soon.
We'll be marching as a 12 by 12 platoon, 12 files on both the sides. And these 144 guys, they're from over 20 states, from all the various commands of the Indian Navy. They've been handpicked carefully, they've been screened, they've been grilled for the past 2 months, to get prepared for this event. And I'd like to say we comprise of 16 Agniveers in our platoon and 8 lady Agniveers or women Agniveers in the band, Navy band, which will be marching right ahead of us.